So the specific learning need that I decided to research was anxiety disorder. The tool that I'm using to help with anxiety disorder is Lino. So the big thing that I read about anxiety disorder is that students and learners and people in general with anxiety disorder have the fear of, I guess, looking wrong in front of people and being judged for, looking wrong and being wrong and speaking out. So especially in the classroom and a middle and high school classroom, it can be a scary thing to raise your hand and speak out in front of a class and then immediately have people maybe judging what you're saying or that sort of thing. So this is why this is a tool I decided to use is Lino, and I set up just a sample activity of doing a 3-2-1 maybe at the end of the day to see what students learn and took with them. So I did yellow as 3 things they learned today, blue as 2 connections that I made, and then green as a question that I still have. I like using this because students can post on here and can all be anonymous. So if they do have questions or if they really want to show what they learned today or some great connections they made, they can post on here. They can all post on here. It's all totally anonymous, and then as a teacher I can go back and look at it, and then the next day I can say these are some great connections that people made, these are some great questions, what do we think about these questions? And again, it's all fully anonymous and you don't know who's asking the question. Just only the person that wrote that question would know what question was theirs. Why this tool works, again, I think is because it has this anonymous tool to it in that you can ask these questions or you can point things out anonymously. You don't have to have that pressure of speaking in front of a big crowd of people or a big group of people. And I like it for that too, because then now you're opening up a classroom in which you're allowing people to ask questions and share learning, and a large part of helping those who have anxiety disorder is to allow and create a safe classroom. So as long as you're making a safe classroom, students will feel more free to answer and speak out, and this kind of gives a nice stepping stone of it's okay to ask questions, it's okay to share your learning as a whole, and then as you move throughout the year, students will hopefully be more comfortable with speaking in front of the class and asking questions. So that's why I picked this tool and why I like this tool, and I look forward to using this tool in my classroom this year.